This time around for my cool tools video review, I'm going to show you guys something super cheap. How cheap, Donald? $3 cheap. That's what I paid for this poster tack, and I'm going to show you why I think it's a good item to keep in your toolkit. If you do any soldering, you probably have a pair of helping hands or some bulky, heavy thing like this that can hold your project or component steady. They're useful, but a little clunky to travel with, and they're often overkill if you're just splicing a wire. In terms of price and portability, poster tack is a great alternative. The first problem it solves is what I call the wandering board problem, where you're pushing your project around the table as you're trying to solder it up. Using a glob of tack to temporarily fix your board in place makes the job a lot easier. The second problem solved by tack is component to component soldering. Maybe you need to put a resistor on the leg of an LED or splice two wires together. For me, in terms of convenience, few ways are faster than just sticking the pieces down with tack and hitting it with some solder.